Here I have the Munbyn thermal label printer, which is 300 DPI, which is very important for the quality of print. And I'm going to use these for shipping labels as I ship a lot of my artwork and different kinds of items. So we're going to unbox it here and see what we got. There we have, it comes with the power adapter, a brick style power adapter. All right, so there we got that. Comes with a USB cable for the printer. There you go. So you could see there. So it has a little button here to open it up. So we're gonna get this connected and do some printing. So I set up the Munbyn label printer on my desk, on my workstation, with the labels in the back, as you can see there. It's sitting nicely on the stand. Just remember when you insert the labels to hold this green button until it beeps to calibrate the labels so your printing is straight and accurate. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna give it a test print. We're gonna connect via Bluetooth here. There we go, it found it. All right, so we're connected to that one. We're gonna exit there, and as you can see now, we have the ability to print it up, and there it is. Perfect, nice and fast. Very cool printer. Hope this helps.